Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 2 of the Mini Kit Monday for the month of March. And we're using this little pot of gold. And if you look here, a lot of people have like pulled their kit together, and even though I did put my kit together, I don't think I added up the total. So I was going to total up each page to see how much it's worth and see how little money I can spend on it. So what I've done is I put my washi and my flare in here, and then I also have some flowers in here, which I don't, I have it, well, and I've already pretty much pre-selected everything I'm going to be using for my page. And I told you that I was going to be using these sketches, and so this is the Laura Whitaker sketch. It is from July of 2017, and I really like all the different colors and embellishments, and so that is what I am going to do. So I think I can put it about here, and that way you can kind of see what my plan is. Okay, so the photo that's down here, I'm going to use this little photo here, and this is Sophie, my kitty cat. She is sitting on my laptop, and she could have been sitting there because it's warm, or she could have been sitting there because that's the only place for her to sit because my table was so full of stuff. And I was working on the layout here. I think that was for January, and I don't really remember. I think that was January. Anyway, there's a video for this page. It's a Mini Kit Monday page that I had created. So this is the photo I'm going to use. And so this long piece right here, it looks like it's 4 by 12. I think mine's like 3 by 12. And it was already pre-cut. And I want to go ahead and use this. And it'll go the whole length. And then there's some pieces here. Let me show you. So there's like this scallop edge right here and this striped paper right here. And you can see there was a grid and then a solid. So, but you can see I already have this pink and then this yellow is, and these are already attached. I do need to put some washi on this. So let me go get some. Oh, I have some right here. I usually try to use a washi that I'm not too crazy about to put on the back here. So I am not too crazy about this. But what this does is when I put the washi in the, because I had gutted out that yellow paper, whenever I put the washi here, it makes it easier to put the pages in the page protectors. So, and we all have washi tape that we don't like. So go ahead and use it. You can use it up, and I have gone through several rolls just by doing this because look, you use a lot. Okay, so this was going to go here. And then these two little places here, I have this, it's watercolor paper, and I was kind of playing with a color, and I'm going to put that here. And I had a 6x6 paper of this, and I just trimmed it, and so it's going to go along here, something like this. Maybe I'll go like that so those aren't together. Okay, and let's see, my photo's gonna go here, and then I'm gonna be using these flowers. So I thought about doing it like this and then cutting this out. I do like this yellow. And then down here, this is a tag. So the photo is sitting on a tag. So I had a 6x6 paper that I'm going to put the photo on a big tag that I just cut it out myself. And then this is also like a banner that is right here. And then I have some flowers that I was going to put. I think I was going to put this here and the flower up here. And I was going to put another flower. I think I was going to put it here. And then I know that there's like some embellishments here that has a couple of brads and a button. And these are just ideas to put there. So I had the flare. Do you remember the flare I had for the cats? So I have both of those. And even though I know that there's red in this, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to use both of them. And I was going to put this, I think I was going to put this one up here. And then this one was going to go down here. I think I was going to put it like here. I love my cat. And because flares were only $1, right? Right? And let's see, I think I was going to go ahead and put, I don't know if I'm going to do these sequins or something else. So I will be doing that. But, you know, I also wanted to put some more washi. So I want to use this beautiful, you know, to add a little shininess to this. So I'm going to put this down and then put the, well, let's see. How do I like it? What do you guys think? So I put the pink down first and then kind of put that like this. Put it underneath. You know, maybe I'll put it on top. I think that's kind of pretty. And I do have some thread to put through this hole here. I don't know if that cost any money out of my pot of gold. So anyway, so that is that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put everything together. And before I put the sequins on, I will be back. Okay, so I put everything down and I even started to put some sequins here. I have this set of sequins. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of, these are from Close to My Heart. You know, it's kind of cool, and they're very similar to the enamel dots, you know, the different sizes. Now these do come with some adhesive on the back, and I see a little bit of adhesive here, but these all stick up here at the top, so I don't know what's going on there. But I like them because this, they come in different sizes. It has 3 different sizes, and I find that I like those the best. I like the different sizes. Sorry, just trying to get kitty cat hair off. Okay. So I'd like to put them in groups of 3. So, all right, so there's that. So I've got those down. I need to, I can look here better together. See if there's anything here that'll kind of go. These are stickers. Did you see, this is what the washi tape looks like. It had a backing on it, and it is very sheer, and it's, you know, iridescent, which is kind of cool. And because I know this has a lot of color, like this color that I really do like. So I think I've only used 1 sticker out of this. So the priority to me is to use up my stash. The other priority, on the other hand, is to see how cheap I can make a page, you know, from that you know, from our pot of gold that we have. So add a little bit of color there. And here's some leaves. Nice. Let's see. Let me kind of put some leaves up here and maybe a heart. Maybe a heart over here. Okay. I think I'm okay. So I use some stickers, and then I have these chipboard. See if there's any words here. No worries, be happy. Ha ha ha. That's funny. Okay. And this is a brand new pack to me. Oh no, I already have it open. I like this little XX. So that'll kind of, to me, it kind of balances all that stuff out. And what do you guys see anything else? I see a pink heart here. Let's see. Put it on top of that flower. So I'll have a heart here and a heart there. Yeah, I don't have to have 3 hearts on it. There's some gold, but I'm not going to, I don't think I want to add gold to this. Okay, I'm okay with that. I don't think I want to use any of these. Now I need to come up with a title. And they have the title up here. So I think I'm just going to put my helper. Yeah, so I think that's all I'm going to do is make a title. And I think I'm going to do it in the black. Yep, so I only got the black and the white. And these are from LE Studios. These I've had for a while. So they don't make them. And this one's from Color Me Happy, Cocoa Vanilla. But because it's flat and it's white, that's why it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and put my title here. And I am going to say that is it. I'll leave photos at the end, and that way you can see what it's like completed. I also will post it on the Facebook group. And I want to make sure that you guys check out all the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. You know, there's Becky and Shannon and Kathy and Daisy and Dolly. And then the other 2 girls, we've got a couple guests with us this month, Ronnie Sue Scrapper and Krista Ferrato. Both of those are also our guests. So I will leave links to their channels below as well. So yeah, check out our Facebook group. I'm going to leave that link below. And I will see you guys next time. You have an awesome day. Alrighty, bye-bye.